Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Now, if you don't know, for the entirety of March, I will be doing videos on my 2026 Bad Ideas Game Jams mission, which is a game called Unbounded and Boundless about Gilbert Squareson III, which is a simple 2D being who is becoming the new Bounder, which is essentially a god in the lore, and it's a 3D being, so this square is becoming a cube. You won't see that visually because I'm too lazy and I'm using Game Maker, which is exclusively 2D. So I got the first 2 worlds done in 2 days, mind you, because I had already gone every single level, and I do mean every level in the game's idea done. So I know exactly what I want to do for each level. Might polish the ideas up a bit, diverge from them a little bit, but you know. Now, those 2 worlds include basic box mechanics, like you can push boxes. There's actually a funny glitch, if you haven't seen it already, where you can push 2 boxes. It's a box chain, essentially. If there's a 1 unit gap between the boxes, you can still push them. Not going to patch that. I love that glitch, honestly, and it doesn't really affect gameplay that much. I got enemy mechanics, which really are just moving the boxes because they work the same way and they push boxes too. I got ice for the second world, as well as heavy enemy and boxes and blocks, same thing. Anyway, I got heavy variants of the both of those, which aren't affected by the ice, while everything else is. Now, for next week, I want to get the next 2 worlds done. The third one is electricity based, having wires that shock you, a block that can help connect 2 wires, and an enemy that shocks everything around it. And the fourth is water based, having like actual water, that like you can drown in after 10 moves, which will bring you back to the last safe spot you were on. Floating cubes, which negate the water's effect. And then I think a water bound enemy, which I think has like a trail of water behind it. I don't remember what I said I'd put for that one, and I'm not gonna check the notes right now, but something like that. Now, I will also be putting an itch page for whatever I have of the game right now on itch. It's not gonna be that worked on. It will look decent. It will have the Windows version of the game. Please, I recommend you play it and try to break the game. I want glitches found. I think the glitch is like very bad. I'll patch it. If I don't think it's too bad, I'll make it like a feature or make it easier or harder to do. Do the things I need to do. I want to try to keep funny glitches though. But please tell me. Please tell me these glitches. Show video evidence or just describe them. I'll probably be able to replicate them. Yeah, so we're just gonna get the next 2 worlds done. You probably won't see the PNG guide that I drew, which is the main player of my other game that I was working on, which is like a 2D platformer. You can go check the other videos I have. Probably won't see that guy until the end of the month, like near April-ish even, because I don't want to have to edit him in, because I want to spend more of my time actually working on the game, rather than having like the little PNG guy, because it is really important and I want to get it done. You also probably won't be seeing any videos for like a first while of April, because the game that I was working on, that 2D platformer, it has some bugs with it that were bugging out because, like I said in my post, computer's been glitchy and I had to restart the entire computer, reset my OS and everything. So I have to go back and patch all those like weird bugs that were in the I think it's called a asset bot import or whatever. I don't remember what game it calls them. I'm blanking. Essentially, there's some bugs in that I need to go patch. So you probably won't see a video until like end of April ish. Maybe middle of April you'll see a new video. You probably won't see much on that new game for a good while. On that old game, I should say. But yeah, that's all. I'm sorry for all like the weird quips and whatnot. The as I'll call them. I didn't really try making a script for this because I just wanted to get it out. Because again, I want to work on this game more. Got to polish a few things for the levels up too. But yeah, that's all. And one tip out.